What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a different video. Instead of customizing, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your custom shoes. So the very first step is taking off your laces and putting them in the washing machine. So we're going to do that. So now I'm just going to put these aside and throw these in the washing machine, and I'll see you when that's done. Okay, so the washing machine ran. These laces are all clean. So yeah. For the next step, you're gonna need dish soap, like a glass of water, an old toothbrush or a scrub that you don't use anymore, and then some laundry detergent. Okay, so what I usually do is I use 50% water, 25% dish soap, and 25% laundry detergent. So now that I have my mixture, the first step that I usually do is I do the base. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the sides and the bottoms. So now I'm gonna work on the paint. Okay, so I finished cleaning them. They're looking really good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try my hardest to get some of these creases out. So I'm going to use an iron on a very low setting, and I'm going to put the cloth in between, because one time I just put the iron right on, like how it says to do normal leather shoes, and with it burned the paint off. So I'm I'm gonna wet this towel and put it on and then iron. And also from my experience, the ironing doesn't do much, because for it to do much, you have to put it on a higher setting, but you can't do that or it'll burn the paint off. So you can't really successfully get all the creases off your custom shoes. Okay, so I just got a few creases off, definitely not all. But now I'm going to put on the laces and I'll see you, and I think we're done. Okay, so I just finished lacing them. They look a lot cleaner than they did before. If you want to watch me customize these exact shoes, I'll put it up here. And yeah, since this video is pretty short, I'm going to actually be posting twice this week. So yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!